Customer wants the inside of these garage doors cleaned. She has 3 bays, so we're going to clean these up real quick. Well, this is cleaning so we can get the door. It looks pretty good. Inside the garage is always get the walls and stuff. Okay. All the garage doors. Good. Excuse me. We did the driveway. I'm getting ready to post spray it. We flushed all the gutters out. We cleaned the entire pool area. The windows in the back. We're flushing all the gutters again. Mike was in the front of the house. The back is all done. I'm getting ready to post spray this. Start cleaning up the rest of the windows.